Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Samadhi. Here today I am going to talk about the purpose of knowing who am I. In our life, in some occasion, we heard this word who am I, and we all discussed these things at that time. But whether we are giving so much importance to this or not is a question. In life, so many things, important things we know, but we didn't get detail about that. In example, knowing the function of our physical body is more important, but yet we never get that detail in our life, but we are living successfully completely in our life. In same way, knowing about who am I also is an option for everybody. That's what everyone thinking. Why? Because even though we don't know the meaning of who am I, realizing not who am I, we are successfully living our life. But here is something missing. In our life, we can important things we know we can miss in our life, but we cannot miss the meaning of who am I. The simple reason why, because it is the core of you. That means if you don't know the meaning, that means you don't know yourself. That if you don't know yourself, that means you will not work for yourself. You are working for someone, something. That means something missing. So in today program, I am going to tell about the exact meaning and the purpose of, otherwise the outcome of knowing who am I. So I going to reveal in today video session. The fundamental of knowing who am I will happen if you self realize, if you attain self realization. But in our life, most of our life, people never get self realized. Almost all people. That is one of the main reason we are all suffering in our life. It was happening throughout the world. This should not happen. Knowingly or unknowingly, they should not to happen. We should live our life happily and fully in throughout our life. That makes our life meaningful. Knowing who am I is the fundamental thing to know in our life. If the outcome of knowing who am I, that is the thing. Just if you know what is the outcome of knowing who am I, that itself the huge missing. It was visible in our society. If you a person know who am I, so he is purely living for himself. That means not for mind. So we are all living for mind. We are saying I am a Hindu. Hindu belong Hindu or Christian, Muslim. These are all not for us. These are all belongs to mind. And also we are saying I am a doctor, I am an engineer, I am a chief minister, I am a scientist. This all the things are belongs to mind. The need of mind, not the need of the true you. If you understand this, realize this, you will do or not. Definitely you will not do, but continuously you are doing this. That is the main reason people in the world are suffering, and suffering continuously unleashed in a life. This should not happen in life. That is the reason people like Mahavira, Ramana Maharishi, all are trying to say these things. But we exactly not listen the core thing, but we are listening other things that they said. That is almost meaningless. So I am just going to tell that the knowing who am I is the fundamental and the only one thing to know in our life. Without knowing this thing, you are knowing nothing. So the life become meaningful by knowing who am I, and the outcome of who am I will be endless happiness. And doing for the true self. The understanding the whole universe, the purpose of living is fulfilled. This should to going to this should going to go to happen. That is what universe is expecting. And now it is your option to select to live with knowing who am I or not is up to your hand. Okay.